Hackers from YouTube? Honestly, don't know what this is. Bro, alright, what do you think it is, bro? Let's take guesses.
Mr. Beast Bar. No way.
Another play button, bro. Bro, from the new CEO too, bro. I think we're throwing I think this is it. So this would be it. Why is it not working, dog? You try. Guys, the key is in the door. He's gonna get it.
What do you think?
I'm just gonna get this one because, like, the blue line, I kind of like that. Dog, I told you not to put that in the freezer. How long have we been in this apartment?
Not even 12 hours.
Not even 12 hours, dog. We promise we're coming soon.
That's crazy.
Hey, dog, can you throw this away from me?
Oh yeah, dumpster's just down there. Perfect.
Yo.
Q and I just got the new apartment. We're gonna do an apartment tour next video.